Yes, my people, welcome back to Tenacious Trading Group, and we're just on the 1 hour chart currently for NQ. And I mean, there's two places on where you could have drew the zone from there or from here. Either way, they're both correct because this is the SNDR for this bigger market structure break, and we can see that we have SBS where that's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and price is now pushed up and has taken out our previous higher high. So based on my 1 hour chart, price is bullish. Based off my 12-minute chart, price is also bullish. So we can see that on our 12-minute chart, we took out these lows, then we ended up taking out those highs. So there's an indication that price has potentially flipped and it now wants to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. When we head over to our 5-minute chart, we can also see that price is bullish. So if we're looking at this is SBS where this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and you can say that we're coming from this low to this high. We've tapped the 618, so that could have been your first entry method that you would use to try and get yourself in for the 1-to-1 or potentially the 1.6R. Let's say you're not happy with that. What you're gonna do, you're gonna head over to the 1 minute time frame, and within that 1 minute time frame, what I've been doing, been technically making high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, potentially a lower low. So in this case here, what does price need to do? Price needs to take out this high over here, take out this high, get above the SMAs, and then you can potentially start looking for a potential long. And then if I let price play out, so we do come back and sweep again, no biggie. Let's see how that looks like on a 1 minute. So we actually failed to close below the low, but as we let price play out, we can see how we've taken out our previous higher high. So if you was using the 618, it's a perfect trade. If you're not happy to use a 618 because potentially you want a little bit more, no problem. When we head over to the 1 minute chart, as I said before, we need price to take out this high over here, and it did. So that's your internal flip over there. So now, I mean, you can wait for a confirmed flip, but we are now above the SMAs, and in this case here, you probably have a better SBS Model 1 version where this could be the 1, this could be the 2, this could be the 3, 4, 5. Don't quite take out the previous higher high in this situation here, but you might have been quite at a break even. We can see how eventually price takes out our previous higher high. So now this is the confirmed flip. So this is the flip that confirms to you that price is actually really bullish and actually wants to head to the upside. So now if you're looking for a trade within this section here, you could be my guest. You might not be able to see anything, no problem. And then what's happened now, we have taken out this high here. What did we do? We pulled back, tapped in the area of interest, and what's happened? We've taken out this high. So in terms of potential setups, there was many. I mean, I wouldn't say many, but there were setups that you could have taken in this situation here. Yeah, so in this situation, there are setups that you could have taken to take you higher. And if you just go over to the 1 hour chart again, you can see for yourself how since then it looks like now price is in a pullback, but all we've done is just taken out our previous higher high. So now we understand that price needs to do what? Expand, pull back, expand, or potentially expand, consolidate, pull back, expand. So it really depends, but in this situation, if you was bullish for the day, then that was a bias that I would have picked for myself anyways. But that's it for today. Always remember that victory belongs to the most tenacious. Whether you're on the word, I'm just guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. And I'll see you lots tomorrow. Peace.